educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame.
Good morning, guys. What's up? Been so long since I make a vlog, but what's up? Yeah, so may I do laundry now. May I try to do at least a weekly vlog. Try to change up some things on the channel and see what will work. Alright, yeah, so good morning. Yeah, so it's Saturday morning and may I do some laundry now. May I have a couple things to do today, but may I start off with the laundry. After I done the laundry, not after I done the laundry, may I go make breakfast before I done the laundry. May I have some editing to do for my may I also have some editing to do for my reaction channel, so I want to do as much as my housework before I start do that. Okay, so me checking with you and we see what I'm up to and what I do for the rest of the day or so. So like I said, I can try to do it in a weekly vlog or 2 vlog for the week or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but plan to do a lot more ear videos. Yeah, plan to do a lot more ear videos on the channel. So I don't know, I will see what work and what not work, but I hope to stay true as well. So catch you in the next clip.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky.
She just going to wear her clothes then. I wash what 4 line of sheet and take up already. And now I wash fair set of clothes them and what 2 line because we don't this do. So change the window curtain and then wash the one them with it up before. Not the window curtain, the kitchen window curtain. Wash them there and may I go have my room for straighten up. Eat already, eat breakfast for say. So I still have my room for straighten up. I'm still not start edit yet, and dinner for making at the evening and prepare for tomorrow Sunday dinner. Yeah, because I actually have work tomorrow. I have 2 here for the tomorrow. I mean, I normally work on a Sunday, but it's exception for a client. You more exceptional. Oh, what me I talk about? Yeah, for a client. So I have to go prepare from tonight as much as I can because I start from 12 o'clock. Start them do here from 12. So yeah, so I'm reach now. Check back in.
And then the penny them start laughing.
Cute. So it's she thinks she's hot. Not proud of people them. We'll see like you're not ramp with sleeves. Yeah.
That's why it's so good.
Even around with sneeze nowadays. Oh, not going there. Hear that? Oh no. In another minute, yeah, but it look okay. Six to three. Long wait. Burger fried. Alright, pick up that bag here. So in the Moscow. I see. No, I mean I look for the difference between the one and the one. The one there for almost 1,300 and the one there for 1,200. That was the difference. This have you more in it, you think? No. Same thing. See patty here, like I never remember same the one patty. You not give me money for buy it.
Okay, the patty then. No.
Normal patty.
The other one didn't like.
No, you have different type. Which one or which one? I'm gonna make one hell of a different. I make no different. Me have a list.
Remember say me I go over here this weekend.
Eh?
Remember
Who?
say me I go over here.
And what?
So I go buy something for me.
Going up there so with a big self. The crave myself. Boy. Oh no, I want to remember the one around there said no. Them they too rise up the price, them too much man them for nothing in it. To do. Them look a spot them the big money them. Fish. Kingfish. Sliced kingfish. I don't know. Orange juice. Strawberry banana. That look good. No. Need a juice. Couple juice. I'm gonna serve the box. Better to buy a box. One. Then the 3 small one. I don't know. Cheese. I don't know. We're gonna see size one first. And the one in there. Oh yeah. Yes, see there. See it. Come. Oh, cold juice I can pick up.
No, either.